Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I'm going to show you how to have duplicate apps on. And so for this you will be needing an app called Dual Space. So search for Dual Space. So you will see multiple accounts Dual Space right here, and you will need to go there and click on install. So after it's been installed, open the app. Just read these and agree and continue. So here in this interface you can add apps you want to have dual accounts or multiple accounts, and you'll need to wait until it creates. So it will create a new Instagram for you. So now it is asking my username and password for my multiple account for the Instagram. I'll just go ahead and log into my account. So as you can see, I have one Instagram logged in over here and my other Instagram logged in over here, just right there. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.